Hello students and welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss about LCM. You will be knowing the meaning of this acronym, that is LCM, least common multiple. So now let's begin. So here it is. Let's start with. So what is LCM? LCM basically stands for least common multiple. So, multiple. Let us see that what do you mean by multiple. So, if you are taking about one number and considering its multiples, then the multiples will be given by 12. The first multiple is the number itself, then 24, then 36, then 48, and so on. So these would be the multiples of a particular number. When you multiply the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, you will be getting its corresponding multiples. Now let us take one more number, say 18. So what could be the multiples? First one is 18, then 36, then it is 54, and so on. So these could be the possible multiples of number 18. Now see, we have to select the common multiples. Common multiples of two given numbers. So if you observe that number 12 and number 18, you will find that the common multiples, first common multiple is 36. And if you will explore further, you will get more common multiples. But our aim is to take only the least one, the smallest common multiple of the given numbers, and that will be given by 36 only. So LCM of 12 and 18 would be given by 36. That is the least common multiple. Yeah, there is one more way to find this LCM. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, just do find out the prime factors of 12. Prime factors, remember, to decompose a number into its further smaller numbers such that it can't be divisible further. So prime factors. So see, how can you divide 12? So 12 can be divided into two numbers. The number is 2 and 6. Then further 6 can be decomposed into two numbers, that is 2 and 3. But a look at 2 and 3, these numbers cannot be further divisible as these are the prime numbers. So we got here the prime factors of 12, that is 1, 2, another 2 and a 3. So these will be the prime factors of 12. On the other side, if you take the number 18, observe its prime factors. So divide it into smaller numbers. So it is 2 and 9. Then further, you can't divide 2 into further smaller factors. But see, 9, you can divide it further as 3 into 3, that is 9. Now, these numbers are the prime factors of 18. Now, I have to find out the least common multiple. There is this easy way to find out the LCM of these two numbers by having the factorization of 12 and 18 individually. So the LCM could be given by, let us suppose we are forming a group of the prime factors of 12 and we are forming the group of prime factors of 18. So suppose this one is a circle having the prime factors of 12 in it. So the prime factors of 12 is 2, 2 and a 3. That is 2 multiplied by 2, 4 and multiplied by 3 is 12. Now let's take the prime let's take the prime factors of 18. So this is 2, 3 and a 3. Okay, these two circles are representing the prime factors of 18 and prime factors of 12. So 18 prime factors are the product 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. On the other hand, the prime factors of 12 is given by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So if you are taking the LCM, so the LCM will be having all the factors of number 1 first. So the number 1 is 12. So we have to write first all the possible factors of 12. But this LCM also want to include number 18. So look at the all factors of 18. Here it is 2. So the LCM is already having a 2. 1, 3. So the LCM is already having a 3. But this is the additional 3 which the LCM is not having. So we have to add this additional 3 to our LCM. So this is how our LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is 36. So this is the way to find out the LCM of given numbers by the method of prime factorization and grouping their factors. So likewise, if we were going to group these numbers, group these factors, suppose this will be overlapping this 2, this will be overlapping this 3 and this 3 is an integer. So the LCM here will be given by the numbers which you are seeing here, that is 2 and 3 which are not common, but also the product of the common factors, the numbers which are common. Okay, so the LCM will be given by 2, 3, the uncommon factors and also the common factors. So the LCM is 36. Now let's take one more example. Consider the number 120. Break it into its factors, like suppose 2, then 60, further 2, 30, then further 2, 15. Now further this 15 can be decomposed as 3 and 5. So these will be the prime factors of number 120. Now let us take one more number, that is 84. So break it into its factors. So it's 2 again by 2, then this is 21. So this will not be broken by 2. This will not be divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 3. As 3 is also a prime number. And then 7. Right? So here we are getting the prime factors of 84. Now let's draw the group. Let's group these prime factors. So if you want to group them, you will find that here the factors are 2, 2, 3 and a 7. On the other hand, if you wanna group the factors of 120, the factors would be 2, 2, 3 and additional 2 and additional 5. Now group them. So let's see what will happen. If you want to group them, then this 7 is the individual one. This 2 will overlap the common factor. This another 2 will also overlap this. This 3 is going to overlap this. Now, the LCM of both these two numbers, 120 and 84, will be given by the product. So the LCM, that is the least common multiple, will be regarded as the product of common factors and also the uncommon factors of the given numbers. So first of all, take the common factors, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and then consider the uncommon factors. So this 2 is uncommon, so this 2. This 5 is also uncommon, take this 5. And the uncommon factor further is 7. So their LCM will be given by these numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So it's 2 cube multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So this will be the LCM of 120 and 84, right? So I hope this concept, these methods will be clear to you. The first method depicting the actual meaning of least common multiple, that is the multiples, the common multiples. Among those common multiples, the least one is going to give you the LCM. And the second method is combining the common factors and the uncommon factors of each of the numbers. So this will be giving you the LCM. Again, we have seen another example, that is 120 and 84. And we have found out that LCM would be given by the product of these common factors and the uncommon factors. Okay. So I hope the concept of this LCM is clear to you. Bye bye. See you in my next class.